Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and dudes of all teenagers. I am back and I'm here to do some spooky Halloween stuff. I tried to do this earlier this evening. I was under the crushing pressure of my camera battery dying, so kind of screwed it up. So I've got my tea. Someone may recognize this mug. Someone. Got my magic crystal cause it's Halloween. Got my candle for magic cause it's Halloween. And I've got two different types of glue this time. I attempted to do this earlier. I screwed it up. And I've also got all the wiggle eyes that I managed to salvage from the last attempt, wrapped up in this paper towel like a little gift. But I guess ironically enough, I was looking it up on Google. You know, I basically went to my phone and said, "Hey Google, where did I go wrong?" Not in so many words though, because then Google would have spat back at me the litany of poor life choices I have made. And, like, I guess the instructions are to add water to glue before you make the slime, but I'm bad at following directions. But does that not look watery enough? I don't know. I'm also gonna try... I haven't got a lot of clear glue left, but I've got enough that I can make an attempt and see what happens. Then I'm going to try again with the purple glue, because we've got it. Going to use it. So, start to clear. And I brought up a spoon to mix the borax with, because I figured that would be a better idea. So I'm going to start. I guess this is going to be a very tiny slime. Come on, trip out. Trip, trip, trip. No. I have to slurp it out. I wish I could just leave this standing and, like, let it all just flow. That would make things a lot easier. Like, I don't know, build a tripod for my glue bottle. Alright, so let's pretend that that is finished. That one, I'm going to add the same amount of water to that I just poured out glue, which is like literally that much. So sad. And mix it up real good. And I'm going to do the same with the purple glue. There's a lot more of this stuff, because it was on sale. Oh cool, it makes a fart sound. Lovely. See that? That's how much I'm willing to pay for these experiments. Bet that's too much water. But I guess we're gonna find out. And this, because it's purple, it's easier to see if it's mixed properly. Oh yeah. And I guess to make the clear slime a bit spookier, we could add some ink to it. Just a little bit. Not a lot. That actually looks really cool. Squirt the rest back into the bottle. I don't want to waste this stuff. It's not expensive, but it's stuff that I use fairly regularly and I'd like to not waste it. Like over here on the side, I've got a pot of water that's hot now, but not boiling. It was boiling earlier because I also made my cup of tea with the same water. But I don't want to mix that and the slime water. So, oh man, that is beautiful. Put my little eyeballs back in now. Much for you. And the rest for you. And I'm going to put this on pause for like 2 seconds because I'm going to empty out my measuring cup that has water in it to mix the borax. So I will be right back. Okay, so get the borax. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit in at a time. And then a little bit of water to mix it up at a time. And take this nice clean spoon to mix it up. See, I guess what I'm concerned about, geez, sorry, is it's kind of crystallizing at the bottom. Hopefully that's not an issue. Like, is it even mixing properly? Borax is something that you should be careful with. It can burn if you use too much, and if you're handling it like a lot, like if don't make slime every day for a month because you'll burn yourself. But it's okay in small quantities. You know, obviously, if you're a kid and you're not handling cleaning solutions regularly, you're just not used to it, ask a grown-up. I've also seen a lot of recipes online that are like, make slime with no glue and no borax, and in a roundabout way, they're still using something with glue or borax. Like, you know, it's like they're using like frickin' face mask and like contact lens solution, both of which are expensive, by the way. Just, you know, raid your laundry room, go to the dollar store, get a bottle of glue. Don't waste your money on the dumb face mask because it's got PVA, which is the same thing that's in the glue. And let's see, is this gonna work? Or is this gonna be a mess again? I feel like this is trending towards mess. It's also clearing out, like, considerably, which is something that, like, I was talking about this with a coworker, like, what would happen. Hi, Peter, if you see this, watch me screw up. And, you know, would the glue clear out, or would it just be, you know, kind of the same? Would it still be purple? And I guess it's see-through now. And it's still a mess. This is really disappointing, guys. But let's see what happens with the clear glue, if it's any different. See, that happened right away. So it's just this purple glue. It just doesn't slime. That's what we've learned today. Purple glue does not slime. If you've tried with purple glue and you have managed to get it to slime, please let me know. Let me know how. If it's something like buying contact lens solution and using that instead, I'm not doing that. It's like, I've already got that stuff in my house. I need it for like contact lenses. I'm not wasting it for this venture, but, so yeah, that's it. Clear glue, you get this. Purple glue, you get that. Don't use the purple glue. Yeah, that's what we've learned. And try again. What happens? So I'll put a little bit of this on the desk. What happens if I mix some of this into this? Nope. Oh, that's what happens. Okay. So that's what we've learned today. And now we know. So, thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. I'll see you again soon. I'll clean my hands off so I can turn my camera off. Alright, see you later.